Go ahead and we'll see.
Good day, my dear friends. But first words, I want to speak about my very good colleague and relative, Professor Rezo Grigolia. And I want cordially welcome to all the participants and the already traditional symposium, and thank my friend and organizer our meetings, and frequently my co-author and very, very good and sensitive person, Johan Hillis, for the initiative and implementation of the idea dedicate this symposium to bright memory of our mutual friends and good mathematician Professor Rezo Grigolia. I must tell you that Rezo was very close relative and friend of mine. He was very open, sensitive, caring person. We often had enthusiastically followed me and new project and prospects for the cooperation. He especially appreciated and rejoiced in the new stage of collaboration with Professors Antonio Di Nola and Nuno Mickiewicz. And once again, thank you very much for appreciating the memory of the Rezo Grigolia. Now, abstract, my report is following. The report described the generalized Möbius listing surface and bodies with different cross section and these geometric objects have a common properties, each of them at certain numbers m and n and diametrical cut uh, exhibit the Möbius phenomenon. Among the considered flat and line figures, a radial cross-section of this GML are such objects as Euler spiral, clotoid, Lamé curves, grandiose, J-less curves, epicycloid, hypocycloid, and so on. For this purpose, the report discussed two large group of geometric figures. This is surface and solids, and also three types of cutting. This is a back cut, diametral cutting, and radial cutting. First of all, I remind you two different definition of generalized Möbius listing body. First of definitions, this is a general Möbius listing and body is obtained by identifying all the opposite ends of the prism PRM with star in such a way that for any integer number n, each vertex Ti coincide with vertex Ti plus 1. This means this number, this module E plus n by modulo m. And each edge of O Ti coincide with the edge O strich Tn plus n. This is similar number. And O strich, this is axis of symmetry of prism. And after identification, name of this line, this is basic line of the corresponding GML body. And this is a number of rotation. This is a integer number, and when n is a positive number, then rotation of these leaves of these bodies clockwise and are, are counterclockwise, and if n is negative, then we have rotation clockwise. But if n equals zero, then we have a classical toroidal surface or bodies. Uh, in classical example, if we have two vertex, T1 and T2, this means prisma, this is a rectangle, and GML21, this is a classic Möbius strip. Second definition, this is similar definition, but now we have end of cylinders, PRM. This is some regular polygon, but not every time this polygon have the ends. This is not always straight line. This may be uh, uh, is a part of hypocycloid, epicycloid, or so on. In 2006, we with Paolo have possibility to describe this geometrical figure analytically. Here is one of the this analytical representation in journal Atti Annali, and in this analytical representation, which are very, very similar to the our next, no, our report, the Sahara, yes, Turkish, very interesting, with quaternions representation. By now, this is these three functions, P1, rho 1, rho 2, K, and classical sinus and cosinus, this describe the shape of basic line of our generalized listing bodies. This function, P, tau, psi, phi, this means this is some radial cross section. Maybe this is a Cayley super ellipse or cardioid on something, something, and this function mu j theta. This is regularity of rotation around axis O strich before the identification of pairs. For example, classical representation of Möbius strip, these three function K is 0, rho 1, rho 2, this is constant. This means rotation around classical circle. If this function P is only tau, depends from argument tau, this is classical representation of Möbius strip, but with
Ilya, I think we lost your shared screen. Is that I don't see it anymore. Do others see it or?
one moment.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we do.
Oh,
Now
yeah, sorry,
now no.
sorry. Oh, sorry, it was my
Daikar.
sorry.
One moment,
Uh,
I find what means Sadr. Now,
Yes, yes.
this is a classic representation of classic Möbius strip. This this is a two-sided cylinder uh, star, and n is odd number, and we have a classic result, which is not mine. This is an after cutting Möbius strip. We receive also geometric objects with similar structure. And we say that we have geometric body has a classical Möbius phenomenon if simultaneously uh, has this figure two properties. First, this is it can be painted completely without lifting the brush and without going over the edge. Uh, that is a one-sided surface. And second property, after some full cutting, in this concrete situation, this means back cutting, we have the cutting along the basic line, we appear one body with similar structure. Okay, we receive the similar structure, new number m and n at the new basic line, but the structure is absolutely similar. Now we see after cutting around this line, black line, appear this body with parameter GML24. After this, we prove the following theorem. If we have the any number n, odd number n, this means his representation is 2 the omega plus 1 surface, and is cutting along the basic line one geometric objects of following structure, two subindex and index 4 omega plus 4 appears, and its topological group of these nodes are 2 omega plus 1. He coincide with the index of the initial bodies. This is very first our results, which appear around 2002, 2006 years. After this, new results is following. This is not only when the initial prism have the ends straight line. For example, if the ends of this prism are clotoid, this means the we have the infinite length, or T1 now have the infinite length. then analytical representation of this Möbius body, which we have analytical representation of this figure is following, and the radial cross section of this Möbius strip is the in all cross section have the this form clotoida. But never always this result is true, but always this result is true when we have the end of this prism, the radial cross section of this body, have these central parts of the graph an odd function without self-intersections. In this situation, we always have the classical Möbius phenomenon. This initial figure are one-sided surfaces, and second, always exists the backcutting. After this appear the similar geometric objects, absolutely similar results always. In 2009, we generalized this result in the cylinder which ends are simple star, simple regular star. If we have the following cylinder, the theorem is following. If the radial cross-section of the GML surface is regular simple star with M wings, and if the this is one-sided surface, and if the great common divisor between number of M and N is 1, and after cutting, one geometric objects appear. This is a knot, and we have possibility to calculate the what's the knots appear after cutting. This is a very complicated formula, but we have possibility to calculate it. This is here is this is always by backcutting. Cutting are always along the basic line of this body. This result is absolutely similar if the radial cross-section of GML body or surface is regular simple star with M wings that are arranged in rotational symmetry relative to center, and then this surface is one-sided if great common divisor between number M and N is 1, and also appear one geometric figure after cutting. For example, this is a absolutely fantastic figure with a lot of wings with clotoid. Now is 4 clotoid, but after cutting, only one radial cross section of new objects is only one wings of clotoid. Now we go to the ordinary Möbius phenomenon, what we name. This is our joint work with Professor Ricci and Mamanti Rogawa. If we have a three-dimensional body which radial cross-section is closed line, for example, regular polygon, whose edges are straight line, we always have body whose boundary is two-sided surfaces. First property of classical Möbius phenomenon, one-sided, is disappeared, but after some cutting appears one geometric objects. This second property is rest, now also is true. But after some cutting appears one geometric object with similar structures. Also if cutting surface don't not include the basic line, maybe appear more than two geometric objects. Or for example, in this situation, after cutting of these GML objects appear four absolutely different geometric figures, which are in different line. Now I demonstrate the part of my previous talk in 2024 when we receive after vertex by vertex and basic line cutting some after only one is one moment, sorry. If the radial cross-section the body, regular polygon, and if the great common divisor M and N equal 1, after radial SS backcutting appear one geometric object, and also after VV backcutting appear also one geometric object. But his radial cross-section of new bodies are absolutely different. For example, in this situation, we have this body have the radial cross-section triangle, but if SS cutting, radial cross-section have the four angular this form, but this is absolutely similar. Now we may repeat two different situations. This is a diametral cutting and radial cutting, which idea give the Johann. Always when we have a radial cross section, we have Möbius phenomena. But when we have diametral cutting, sometimes we have this phenomena, sometimes we have not this phenomena. Details, this is a lot of this situation. Now I don't speak about these small differences between this situation, but all this situation we study and we published in the WECOA seminar. But new result is following. This is the idea of Paolo when we study the generalized Möbius listing body with cross section Rosa Grandi. This is some different situation. If we have a parameter, the Rosa Grandi is even number, and we or cutting, which cutting line is tangent of this figure, then after cutting appear one figure, one geometric object which radial cross section is one leaf of the Rosa Grandi. But in other hands, this is a absolutely different. If the radial cross section, one moment, if the radial cross section then is if this body cavity and filled with only one liquid without mixing. This is a new vision of Möbius phenomena. Okay, this is also one liquid we have possibility to without mixing into this body. But if this if the parameter the Grandi rose is odd, this means and we have great common divisor between m and n equal 1 after cutting surface which includes a baseline and trace of back cutting also is radial cross section tangent of the radial cross section. The shape of the radial cross section Rose Grandi of JMN body, then one geometric figure appear and the radial cross section of the body formed. The cut is only one leaf of the corresponding Grandi rose. This is a form after cutting. This is a form after cutting, but this is a radial cross section of this figure. And never exist Möbius phenomenon if the parameter of Grandi rose is rational number. But always we may put the more than one liquids. For example, if the Q equal 4, always we put four liquid minimum without mixing, and maybe lot and lot. If we have six para Q is 6, we minimum 6 liquid, and never 2 or 3 liquid we put on similar GML body with radial cross section with similar radial cross section with Rosa Grandi. This is a very interesting phenomenon for me Here is a lot of our paper. If and for example, this is a paper, Tavkhelidze Richi, which are very similar to our Turkish participants, which speak about representation of the motion with quaternion, but Paolo and me, we have possibility to represent analytically and 8 different functions define the character of motion. This is a very interesting our work, I think. Thank you very much for our attention. Thank you.
Thank you, Dear Ilya. So yes, this is another formula. So yeah, so just for the audience, maybe one step back. This idea of you to develop this kind of geometric figures goes back to your PhD work, where actually the solution of partial differential equations could greatly be better understood if you know the geometry of the body under study, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
But after this is a more interesting the question appear in geometry.
Yeah.
For my opinion.
It is.
Yes.
And we jointly published a number of papers, so I look forward to further collaboration. So, any questions from the audience?
Here a lot of the paper with Johan Hillis. This is last 3 years we published a lot of the paper with Paolo, with Johan, with Mamanti, and every this works is very interesting, which
I also should remark to the rest of the audience that generalized Möbius listing bodies is very interesting, but it's a subcase of generalized twisting rotating bodies, which is delicious and so on and so forth. So in the case of this one, you have a closure of the shape. So
this is a very this form. This is also answer of the last question of the previous day of our conference, when one of the participants asked you, have you possibility to transform one form into the second form? Here, this is a form of the radial cross section. And if this radial cross section change in the time, and we know these rules, we may describe this continuous changes, one form with the second form, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much for making this remark.
Thank you, and sorry for my English.
Complimento, Iliko.
Nice to see you guys.
Oh, Matthew.
Yeah.
Hello, Matthew.
Hey,
hello.
Hello. Very nice. You mentioned in your last slide, you mentioned 8 functions. So what are those 8 functions? So I was looking. Yeah, here.
Yeah, so this one, yeah. No, the formula.
Formula. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, this one. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
You mentioned the 8 functions specifically. What are those 8 functions? Is that T1 MT, T2 MT, or which one?
T1, Matthew, T1, T2, T3. This is a vector of parallel motion, okay?
Okay.
And the objects transport. This is a trivial, but cosinus theta and sinus theta, this is some objects rotation, full rotation of objects, okay?
So why do you mention the 8? When you say 8, we refer to, what are you referring to?
Here,
The colors, the different colors.
different colors, this is a different function. This is a, each function is have different meaning. And we
Okay.
explain every meaning of this function, okay?
Yeah.
So they are linearly independent as the basis, or no? Maybe I'm wrong.
Up this, we
Independent.
we describe the
Uh-huh.
what's meaning of this different color function in this analytical representation, okay?
So just
Okay,
if I
so
can make this remark.
For example, this this function P and Q define the cross section of the some initial body which started the rotation. This this is very interesting paper. This number 5. We published this in Atianali in Accademia Nazionale delle Sciences. This is our big work with Paolo Ricci in 2006, which are in this, here is
Yeah.
the
so you need a
coordinate.
minimum. So you need a minimum of a number. You need a minimum of 8 colored functions
Yes, we
to
know we
represent.
need 8
Mm.
different function which
Okay.
describe not all. We don't know, but
Oh.
we described a very big set of
Yeah.
idea, Matthew. Idea is come to the Gaspar Monge.
Mm.
Gaspar Monge's idea is following. We may present the one very difficult motion with the part of the small and trivial motion. His idea, this idea, Gaspar Monge explained in the engineering.
Yeah, I was thinking this might be somehow connected to classical 4-color problem in the graph theory. So you have 8 minimum number of color functions able to describe all those three-dimensional figure of motions, which is a very deep result. And these 8 colors seems that gives some insight much beyond what the 4-color problem was trying to answer.
Now we don't know. First question: all this translation we made, we made possibility to describe by this only this 8 function is sufficiently. We don't know. This is problem.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. That's
Thank
very
you
good.
for
Very deep.
question.
Yeah.
Thank you for question.
All right. Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So it's well, Thank you very much again, Ilya. It's, as you know, a pleasure to work with all of you. So now, introducing our next speaker is from Liverpool University, and it's